What's up? Welcome back to Life Shay. So today I want you guys to cook spaghetti with me. This is my famous spaghetti. I make it better than your mama. Yeah, I know. So today we're going to be using garlic powder, complete, and Lawry seasoning to season our meat. As you guys can see, call me Chef Bar or Shay. I like to brown my ground beef first. I put a little bit of water in the pan just so I can cook the ground beef without grease like popping everywhere. That cooks so much easier for me. I learned that tip from my mom. I cooked this meal in less than 30 minutes, so this is a very quick and easy meal to cook if you have a family. I love spaghetti. If you know, then you know. But black households, we're gonna eat damn spaghetti damn near every day. When we cook spaghetti, we eat that shit every day. Like that shit is a meal. That shit is a week-long meal. You eat that shit every day, leftovers and all. You're gonna be so damn sick of damn eating spaghetti, it ain't gonna make no damn sense. But I love me some spaghetti. I'm just trying to make sure that the ground beef is broken up and not sticking together, because when ground beef cooks and you don't like try to separate it, that meat will just cook together and it'll be one big ass thing of ground beef. Make sure that all your meat is brown. Like none of the meat should be pink when you get done browning this ground beef. This is the whole point of browning the ground beef. Follow the recipe to the T and you got this. Make sure that you have a boiler already boiling with water in there, and add a little bit of salt and whatever oil that you're going to use. Add it to the pot that is boiling, and then add your noodles. It's only me and Harmony, so I do not need a full box of noodles. So I am measuring them out just to make sure I'm not using too much or too little. As you guys can see, I'm just stirring around the ground beef to make sure that I have all the ground beef brown. Now it's time to pull the meat off and drain the ground beef. Please do not skip this step. Please drain your ground beef. That means like get the drainer thing and put the ground beef in there and drain that grease off of that ground beef. Because if you leave that in mixed in with your spaghetti, like your spaghetti is gonna be so greasy, like ugh. Next, I decided to cook some sweet corn with my spaghetti. I love some sweet corn or some corn on the cob with my spaghetti. It just adds so much flavor to your spaghetti. And then, like, I like to mix the corn in with my spaghetti. Oh my God, it just hits so much different, y'all. So I only added like some butter, some salt, and a little bit of pepper to the corn, and that should do that corn. Now it's time to pull my noodles off. When I know that my noodles are done, I usually take one out and throw it up to the ceiling. And if it sticks, that means it's done. If it doesn't stick, that means it's not done. Someone taught me that trick, and I have been doing it ever since. And it really worked, y'all. And don't worry about the noodle getting stuck up there. Eventually it's gonna come down. It's gonna come down that same day, no no later than that. Next, I like to go ahead and add my noodles to one pot and then go ahead and add the ground beef to the same pot. Like I said, I like to mix my spaghetti in all in one. I know a lot of people don't like doing that. If you're one of the people that like to eat your spaghetti like separately, like I don't know why people like doing that. Some people just do the noodles and the sauce, but I have to have some type of meat in my spaghetti and I like it mixed together. The first thing that I'm adding to my spaghetti are the tomatoes. I love the tomatoes in my spaghetti. Sometimes I get the sauce with the tomatoes already in there, but I like it like this too. Next, I'm gonna add the mushrooms. I love mushrooms in my spaghetti. Don't knock it until you try it. Next, we're going to add our Prego sauce. This is the only sauce that I like using. Sometimes I'll use the Walmart brand sauce, the Great Value kind, and just mix it in. But since it's only me and Harmony, I only needed to use 1 can of this. And I added a little bit of water to the sauce can and mix it up just so I can, make it enough and use all the sauce that was up in there. But all in all, I love their sauce. I love the taste of it. Make sure that you have your eye on so you can let the sauce and the mushrooms and the tomatoes simmer and mix together. Congratulations, you did it. You made Shay's famous spaghetti. Don't let nobody tell you can't cook because, baby, you did this. If you follow this recipe to the T, then you did this. But, yeah, we're going to let this simmer and cook for at least 5 to 10 minutes just so we can get everything mixed in and cook. Make sure you put your lid on it and cover it up so, it can simmer and cook and get all that flavor in. Now we are at the ending steps. As you guys can see, I'm letting it simmer as I stir it so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. You guys make sure you stir your spaghetti because those noodles can stick to the bottom of the pan and cause it to burn. You can eat your spaghetti like this, or you can cook it a little bit longer to let it thicken up. But me, myself, and I am about to chow down. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Love you guys. Make sure to support.